everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is Shweta. Varamahalakshmi marks the celebration of goddess Lakshmi or Ambal, very popularly celebrated across the globe following different traditions. At Wedtree, we have wide variety of collections that you can buy and use as part of the festivities. We have categorized all these products into 6 categories. Starting with Devi faces and dolls, we have wide variety of collection there. Then we have beautiful puja essentials that you can buy and make your puja at home very easily done. Next, we have puja kits, specially curated for the beginners who can easily pick all these products and perform the puja at home. Next, we have wide variety of bajots and manai collection. We have wide variety of return gifts that you can individually pick and present it to your guest. And finally, we have return gift combos which can be assembled together and presented to your guest at ease. In today's video, I'm going to particularly take you through 5 Varamahalakshmi kits that you can pick and choose based on your preference and make your puja a very easy one. We have puja kits starting 2,599 going up to 9,599. Let me take you through the products one by one. Let's get started. The first one for today is this lovely puja kit priced at 2,599. This has 6 different items that you can choose to buy. Starting with a Devi face that comes in German silver. Looks very classy and beautiful. You can assemble this face at home and definitely perform puja. Next, we have an entire small puja thali set that comes with a small plate, 2 katori, 1 agarbatti stand, 1 diya and a bell. Completely in German silver. All these look very classy and can be put to use to perform your daily puja rituals as well. Then we've added these beautiful German silver 108 flowers to perform the puja. Next, we have a very auspicious and a beautiful Tulsi Madam. Again, a very popular product that is regularly used as part of puja essentials. Then we also have a silver sheet with Lakshmi Ashtotram to perform the puja. And finally, we have incense stick that is completely organic and done by Fool. This together as a kit is priced at 2,599. The second kit is priced at 3,599. Consists of 9 different items that you can definitely use as part of the puja ritual. Starting with a Devi face that comes in white metal and in gold antique finish. This one will stay as is, will not tarnish with time and can definitely be kept in your puja mandir for a very long time. We have added 2 elephants that comes with marble dust as base, on top of which there is a gold coating that is done. Again, will not tarnish with time and will stay as is. Next, we have 6-inch Kerala diya. This comes as a pair, comes in pure brass and looks very elegant and classy to be placed as part of your puja essentials. We have also included a brass bell that comes with Meena work. Looks very classy. The engraving is completely handmade. Next, we have a beautiful Tulsi Madam that comes with green enamel in leaves. Again, a very classy product that you can use as part of your puja essentials. Then we've added a 2-cup kumkum holder that comes in metal alloy with gold electroplating work. This can be used to present manjal and kungumam or chandan and kumkum to all your guests visiting you, or can be used as part of the puja as well. We have also added a 10-inch brass tray, a simple and elegant brass tray which is very sturdy and can be used as part of the puja. Finally, we've included a Lakshmi Ashtotram and an incense organic cone from Fool. This together consisting of 9 items is priced at 3,599. Kit number 3 priced at 4,599. This consists of 8 different items and comes in a mix of brass and German silver products. Starting with this very classy toran that comes with German silver as base in a mix of both silver and gold coating. Again, looks very classy and elegant. You can place this in front of the puja mandir or at the entrance of your home. We've also added a beautiful Devi face that comes with German silver. Next, we have added a banana tree that comes with 8 inches in height. Then we've added a very pure brass plate that comes with engraving work and comes with a diameter of 10 inches. We've added 108 flowers, again in German silver finish, which looks very classy. A Tulasi Madam, a very apt product that you can use as part of the puja. And finally, we've also added 2 diyas, which comes with 7 faces. This is Annapakshi diya, again comes in pure brass with beautiful engraving work. Finally, we've added a single cup kumkum holder that you can use as part of the festivities. All the 8 products together is priced at 4,599. Wedtree, a leading gifting store, has beautiful handcrafted items that are made exclusively in India. We have different products to suit different occasions, and we have products priced starting 20 rupees going up to 5 lakh. We customize and personalize gifts based on your preference and budget. Go ahead and shop online for all our beautiful products on our website www.wedtree.com. We undertake both domestic and international shipping. If you are in Chennai, Hyderabad or Bengaluru, I welcome you to visit any of our 4 stores. The address will be linked up below and you can visit to take a look at the entire collection of gifts. Kit number 4, priced at 4,199. This comes with very simple set, but again, if you are a beginner and want to keep it very simple and elegant, then this is a kit that you should definitely buy. Comes with a beautiful German silver Devi idol, which again looks very, very classy. The color combination used is very, very pretty. The base is marble dust, on top of which we've done German silver coating. This is placed on a very beautiful lotus base, again completely handcrafted and made using velvet. This one is perfect to place your Lakshmi idol. Then we've added a set of 2 elephants that comes in a very small size of 2 inches. This is made of metal alloy along with silver antique work. Again, a very sturdy product, considered very, very auspicious to place an elephant with a raised trunk as part of your puja mandir. We've also added a 3-step brass diya, again made out of pure brass sheet and can be put to use. This is completely detachable, which means you can use it again, remove it, clean it and set it up again. So this together as a set is priced at 4,199. The final one for today is kit number 5, priced at 9,599. This kit consists of all the products that you would need to perform the Varamahalakshmi puja. Starting with the beautiful backdrop that comes in a size of 4x3. Comes with pitchwai prints. We have different backdrops available. We also have the kolam design and also comes in assorted colors. You can pick and choose or specify the product of your choice for the backdrop. Next, we have the white metal toran that comes in gold antique finish. Again, perfect to place it at the entrance of your puja mandir or at the entrance of your home. All this will stay as is and will not tarnish with time. Next, we have a beautiful lotus base on top of which we have placed a Varamahalakshmi idol. We have different designs of idols and dolls available with us. You can pick and choose a product as per your choice. Next, we've added a 6-inch Kerala diya, a brass diya, which is very sturdy and can be put to use for a very, very long time. Next, we've added beautiful brass elephants, a pair, again can be placed alongside Devi, which again looks very, very classy. Next, we've included a puja thali set that comes with a plate, a beautiful kumkum box, agarbatti stand, a bell and a katori to offer prasad. Again, a perfect puja essential that you would need as part of the festivity. Finally, we've added the Lakshmi Ashtotram, which can be used to perform the puja. And we also have the full incense stick, which is completely organic. This together as a set is priced at 9,599. What I showed you today are 5 easy kits that you can buy as part of the Varamahalakshmi festival. All these products have been very carefully thought through and curated to make your puja a very easy one. Do let me know your feedback on what you think about these kits. Also, go ahead and purchase online for all these beautiful Varamahalakshmi kits on our website www.wedtree.com. You can also visit any of our 4 stores located at Chennai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru to take a look at the entire collection of Varamahalakshmi gifts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.